In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about making global news videos, from the first step to the final upload, with a full demo included. Because this niche requires simple editing and constantly delivers trending topics, it offers some of the highest chances for your content to go viral. Here is a one you can see.
Elise Stefanik, a rising star in Republican politics and one of President Trump's most loyal allies, has just dropped a bombshell. She's suspending her campaign for New York governor and won't seek re-election to Congress. This surprise move, announced just before the holidays, shakes up the 2026 race and raises big questions about the GOP's path forward in the Empire State.
So how do you do story, script, material collection, and finally editing? Everything will be covered in detail, so do watch the complete video. Let's begin. First of all, fix one thing in your mind. In the USA and other premium countries, news is consumed as news, not like melodrama. What I mean is, you should not sell your opinion. You should present only actual and factual news, exactly as it is. Don't create fake news just for sensationalism. The basic rule is simple. Create straightforward, factual news videos with basic editing, because that's exactly what the audience wants. To start a global news channel, the first thing you need is trending topics and strong video ideas. For this, we'll use Google Trends. Open Google Trends and set the country to the United States so you only see US-based trends and searches. Here, you can view all the keywords that have been trending in the past 24 hours. You can also apply category filters to find trends related to specific industries or topics. You can even change the time range and category to find news topics that suit your content style. Here, I'm choosing the politics category. You can select a different one depending on the type of content you want to create. As you can see at the top of the list, the Elise Stefanik news is trending today, so I'm going to create a video on this topic. For more detailed information, go to Google and search for trusted news sources like BBC News, CNN, Al Jazeera, and other reliable outlets. Open 4 to 5 related news articles from different websites like BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, or others. These articles will act as references for creating our video script. Now, using these references, we'll create the news script. You can use any AI writing tool such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Perplexity. Go to Perplexity, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and you'll find that prompt in the description below. Copy the reference article links, paste them under the prompt, and click Generate. Perplexity will analyze those links and create a detailed news script. Once the script is ready, start creating visuals for the video. You can use images from the reference articles. Don't worry, they won't cause copyright issues since we'll be editing them in the video editor. For even better results, we'll also generate AI images based on the topic. Copy the image prompt from the description box and paste it into Perplexity below the generated news script. Perplexity will provide detailed image prompts. Sometimes you may need to tweak the prompt slightly to get better results. Adjust it as needed. Now copy one of the image prompts and go to Creatify AI. Here we'll generate images for the script. Go to the official website. Click on Create New Project. From there, select the image option and choose a model for image generation. Now paste the image prompt, adjust the size and other settings as needed, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. You can also use PicLumen AI for generating multiple images. Simply copy the prompt, go to PicLumen. Select the image option, paste the prompt into the prompt box, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your images will be ready. After generating all the images, it's time to create the AI voice for the news script. You can use 11 Labs or Speechma, but because 11 Labs has limited voice generation, we'll use Speechma. Go to Speechma and paste your voice text into the input box. Below the text box, you'll find the voice selection options.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speech.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma.
To Speechma, where your words transform into high.
Choose the one that best fits your news style. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, the audio will be created. Once it's ready, download the generated audio file. As I mentioned earlier, this niche doesn't require heavy editing because it's a news channel, not a documentary. However, you can still use simple effects like article highlighting to make your videos more engaging. For an easy approach, start by downloading an image of the person you want to highlight. For example, I'm using a photo of Elise Stefanik. Next, go to remove.bg and remove the background from the image. Download the transparent version. After that, head over to Auto AI, link in the description. This tool allows you to create professional motion graphics in just 5 minutes, even without any editing skills. Go to the template section and search for article highlight. You'll find many ready-to-use templates. Choose the one you like. Click Customize, upload your transparent image, adjust to match the image perfectly. Paste the headline from a news article and add some body text below. Pick up the text from your reference news articles. You can use the headline, key points, or body text, whatever is relevant for your script. You can also change the background and add a logo by uploading them here, but I'm not using that feature for this example. Preview your animation, and if everything looks good, download it. Even with the free version, it works perfectly. It mentions a watermark, but after downloading, there's none. You can create up to 5 effects per month per account for free. Now that we have all our important materials, images, animations, and voiceover, it's time to start editing everything in CapCut. Go to CapCut and import all your files, images, animations, and the generated voiceover. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. Next, add the images, matching them carefully with the voiceover.
Elise Stefanik, a rising star in Republican politics,
and adjust their duration so the visuals sync perfectly with the narration. After that, add any effects and transitions to make the video more engaging. You can also include the article highlight animations or AI-generated visuals at the relevant points. Once the effects are in place, add text and captions where needed to emphasize key points. Finally, when everything looks perfect, export the video in 4K resolution for the best quality.